Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to cancel a DoorDash order. So first we're going to bring up DoorDash and search for our favorite foods. I click Taco Bell, and I'm just going to click the very first option, which was the Mexican pizza combo, and select a large Pepsi, then hit add to order. Then I hit view cart, and it'll bring up there, and you have a chance to pay. I chose Apple Pay. Then you double click with Apple Pay to authorize the payment. They're going to send you a code to your text that you have to type in. Now, the thing is, once it's moved past processing and they're now preparing your order, you're no longer allowed to get the full refund for your order. Once they've started preparing your order, you can no longer get a full refund. You can only get a refund on the service fee that DoorDash offers. So you can only cancel and get the full refund when the order hasn't been prepared yet. So we're going to go to help, and we're going to go to can I cancel order? And it's going to say how would you like to proceed? And I'm only going to be able to get $6 back. And that's the service fee that they provided, not the full amount. So I'm going to go to cancel my order, and it's going to ask you why you want to cancel. I'm just going to click other and then hit continue. It's going to offer credits to DoorDash or a refund to your original payment within 3 days. I hit that one and hit continue. And there you have it. We've canceled our DoorDash order. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below.